guys, it's Liv and welcome to weekly Liv number 6. I am here bright and early. It is 7:07. Yesterday and Saturday I had really bad back pain, like really bad back pain, and I was about to go to the doctor's today, but this morning I woke up and it's like completely gone, but it was like right down the left hand side of my spine, and I was like, this doesn't feel good, and it was like causing pain on the front as well, like, and by on the front I mean like, you know, sort of like in my pelvis, and I was like, it doesn't feel like that's a good sign, but it's gone away today, so if it comes back again at all I'm gonna go to the doctor's. But the moral of that story was I couldn't sleep for quite a while, but I think I went to bed early enough that I ended up getting a decent amount of sleep. The point is that today I have another day at work. This is my last day of like prepping slash, you know, the kids not being there, because on Wednesday after Waitangi Day, which is a public holiday in New Zealand, I'm going to be back at school with my kidlets, and I'm so excited. So this is today's makeup. I'm using the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette, Tarte foundation, and yeah, that's pretty much the main two things. I am wearing like bronzer blush and highlight, but you can't really see them in this lighting. But yeah, I better go to work now. I don't want to run late, so I'll see you guys when I get home. I should go to the gym before I see you guys next. Hopefully next time you see me, I'm going to be red, so talk to you guys later. Welcome to the token bed part of this vlog. I always have like a part where I'm lying in bed, but it's Monday night. I forgot to vlog when I got home. If I sound pained, it's because I made a bad dinner choice tonight. So I got out mince to make Mexican mince, and I was 100% gonna have a wrap with like my mountain bread, which is like really low calorie, low carb wraps essentially. So I was gonna have some of that, like as a burrito kind of thing, with like lots of mince and cheese and stuff. Anyway, but I hadn't really eaten that much today, so I was like, so I have like, you know, however many calories, like probably like nearly 1,000, because I've honestly eaten barely anything. Well, had eaten barely anything. So I was like, I'm just gonna have them as nachos, because nachos are like my weakness. Anyway, the thing about nachos that is my weakness is that I keep eating them once I've finished. I keep eating the chips from the bag. So I literally had maybe nearly half a bag of nachos, like the chips plus the mince. I don't know that I want to say half a bag, but it was pretty close, and I am so bloated, like so bloated. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm normally quite fat, but not this fat. It's like there's a baby in there, but no, it's just the nacho chips. What's up guys, it's Tuesday, and no, I'm not naked. I have got like a sports bra and workout pants on, but it is pretty late in the day. It's like 2 something, or maybe nearly 3, and I completely forgot to take my camera this morning, and I've been out all day doing errands and all that sort of thing, so I thought I would just catch you up on what I did today. By the way, if you guys don't like it when I catch you guys up, please just let me know. Sorry, I sound really puffed out, but I'll get to why I'm puffed out. So today is Waitangi Day, which I think I kind of explained it yesterday, but it's a public holiday in New Zealand. Korpu and Hazel are working it because they do work in retail, so they were the unfortunate souls that had to work today. But they started a little bit later, so this morning Korpu and I went out for breakfast, and I'll put a quick clip in of our breakfast. So we're out at breakfast, and I forgot to bring my camera, but I got pancakes, and Korpu got the big breakfast. These are coffee beans. Did you know they're like coffee baked beans?
The what?
They're like coffee baked beans. This is on the menu.
Try it. That's weird.
No, I can't. It'll give me hives. Look at that hash brown.
Your hives? You're my hive.
Aww.
How was that? How was
That's so sweet. So that was really nice, getting to spend the morning with him just for a little bit. I went to the gym. I did leg day, even though it's Tuesday, because I didn't go yesterday, so I'm kind of pushing back all of the workouts by a day. And then after the gym I went back to work, got the stuff that I needed because somebody was there, and I've got, I don't know if you can see, like right there, those are my laminating sheets that I need to laminate. And then I just got back from going home to my parents' house and having a swim, hence why my hair looks absolutely feral. It was just hot, and I wanted to have a swim. I wanted to test out the swimming function on this bad boy, like test it out properly and actually do like, you know, a quarter of a K. So I did like 250 meters of swimming, and it works really well, by the way. So this is my future, guys. I have to laminate all of these things and cut them all out. Wish me luck. Hey, little bear. Oh, you can't even see me. Woo! So I made my chair. Woo! I actually probably should have vlogged me making it. Corpu was like, did you vlog it? I was like, no, but it was actually quite stressful. And there's Corpu's matching chair and Corpu's little face. Anyway, the new chair's pretty comfy. I've just got to break it in because it's a little bit stiff, but I can like lean back if I want to. And it goes up and down, but I wouldn't put it up because my desk is quite low. So yeah, that's what I did this evening. We also had people over. Right now it's like 9:45. Probably gonna play for maybe half an hour and I'm gonna go to bed. Let's figure I'm probably gonna play for ages, but. Good morning guys, happy Wednesday. This is my makeup for my first day back at school. It's just using the Huda. Why do I always say Huda? I know that it's Huda. The Huda Beauty palettes. I've already brushed my teeth. I've brushed my hair. It looks a little bit crazy, but I've brushed it. It's gonna have to do. I am running, well, not running late, but I wanted to be at school in like 3 minutes time, so it's off to a good start. So I'm just gonna go get all of my stuff and go to school. Wish me luck, and I'll see you in 1 second once I finish at school. So it is Wednesday evening. Welcome to Blue World, by the way. My curtains are closed, but I don't want to open them. And I kind of like this. Oh, it's not blue anymore. I don't really mind this lighting. But anyway, I know that this vlog has been a lot of me just like lying and talking as opposed to like showing you stuff. But it's just the time of, well, it was the first day of school, so prepping for this is just like taking up quite a lot of my time, so I haven't really had time to like vlog other stuff. And today I'm like absolutely exhausted. It doesn't help that I have like this stuff on my face which is kind of like slightly I can't really smile because it starts to peel it. This is the Hellpour face mask, by the way. I'll leave my first impression down below. So I had an amazing day. My new class is beautiful. They are all so gorgeous and lovely, and yeah, I'm just so excited to be back. But I got a headache partway through the day. I think I was just from tiredness, because obviously going back to school versus being at home / being on teacher only days is a whole different kettle of beans. Like, my kids weren't loud, so it wasn't from them being loud or anything. It was just like just exhaustion. So I took some painkillers, and then my team at school had planned for a like drinks and nibbles afternoon at a local establishment, so we went and did that, and that was really nice. But then while we were there, the nibbles were like our nibbles that we brought, and somebody had like these toffee pop bites, which if you don't know what toffee pops are, they are my weakness, but they're like biscuits with caramel and chocolate on them, and they're like way better than Tim Tams. Let me know down below, toffee pops or Tim Tams, because toffee pops are way better than Tim Tams. It is Thursday, and oh, I've got a really sore tummy. I've been waking up every morning recently. Sorry for like, look at that, that's so funny. Hazel needed some cardboard, she's like cutted some of it. Cutted, good English. I've been waking up every morning with like weird stomach pains, and I never used to do this even when I did it intermittent fasting. It's just been the past maybe like 4 days, like right up here in my tummy, and it's like kind of like squeezing, cramping feelings in my tummy. I think it might be indigestion, but I don't know how, because I haven't eaten in like, by this point, nearly 12 hours. So I don't know what it's squeezing, because there's nothing in there. So if you guys have any ideas in your medical knowledge, I'd love to know. But this is my outfit, by the way. You kind of just saw half of it, but it's just a floral skirt and a little tank top, and because it's quite cold, I'm going to be keeping this on all day, so you won't be able to see the tank, so I'll kind of just look like this. So this lunch is made from like leftovers, but basically I've just got brown rice, this chicken, which I cut really small because I don't like big pieces of chicken, so they're all cut really tiny, and they've got Moroccan seasoning on. And then I've just got like a little serving of chickpeas. I've just got garlic powder and some paprika on, and that's my lunch. Good morning, and oh my gosh, oh, happy Friday. I all of a sudden am feeling really tired. I am ready for work, obviously, and I'm gonna go to work. I just wanted to quickly say good morning to you guys today. I also have a different snack today. I have some of these, which are cashews, but they're like chili and lime. I don't know if you guys can see the seasoning on them, but they're super yum. My roommate bought them and I stole a serving, so I'm gonna have those at lunchtime. away from children, obviously, because we're nut free. But anyway, I probably should go because I'm just procrastinating leaving. I do want to go to the gym today, but this week's just been a real write-off with the gym. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of going to the gym and everything, so it's a little bit of a write-off this week, but I'll try. I think next week I am definitely going to try going in the mornings, because if I get up and I like get out of bed and go in the shower, like I feel good. It's just that getting out of bed process that I suck at. Good morning guys, it is Saturday and as you can see I'm in the car. I'm with Hazel. I won't put her on the camera, but we are here at a mall to get a pedicure because we're going to Sydney next week and we thought we'd go get a pedicure because then we have cute toes, and also my feet are disgusting. They're like absolutely feral, so I thought I'd come get a pedicure. And we were gonna go for a walk, but as you can see the sky is raining. Yep, the sky is raining. I was trying to say the sky is grey and it's raining, so probably not gonna go for a walk even though we're completely in like footwear get up, but I'm gonna try and drag Hazel to the gym.
I was like, oh no. I thought you may do that and I was like, no.
That's why I like still dressed up in activewear even though it's not sunny, so that we can go to the gym. And my Romwe stuff, half of my Romwe stuff is at home, so hopefully the Romwe haul, depending on when the other package arrives, might be up before this video. No, it might be up the week after this video or the week after that. Hopefully it arrives though. But anyway, we need to go in and get our toes done, so I'll show you my toes. But our toes are done, and Hazel conveniently took us shopping and we bought cold stuff so we can't go to the gym now. Curious. So we have to go straight home now, but it's okay, I'm hungry anyway. My hair is a little bit cray right now, but it is like 4, nearly 5 on Saturday, and everybody apart from me in the house is napping, and I'm feeling pretty good today. Didn't end up having big breakfast for breakfast. We decided to have it tomorrow because we weren't really that hungry, but we just had like English muffins, and then for lunch I had leftovers from last night, which by the way I didn't even mention I didn't finish vlogging last night. I don't know what happened. I only vlogged in the morning. I think this vlog's a little bit of a fail because it's like, I don't know if any of you guys can relate to this, but whenever I get back into a routine, like my focus is just on the routine, so like the routine of school, so I just forgot about YouTubing. My gym has been really bad this week. Sorry, my lips look really dry, but yeah, like all of my like, you know, routines other than work have like gone out the window. Going to Sydney next week. I really want your guys' opinion. So I was talking about this with my roommates. I don't know whether to do a 4-day vlog Monday through Thursday and upload that on Friday when I leave, and then do another vlog for just me in Sydney, and then end that on the Monday and then take that week off from vlogging. I'm not too sure what to do. Can you guys let me know whether I should just do one mega vlog or do like 2 mini vlogs, one of half of the week and then one of the weekend, long weekend of me in Sydney. I just realized that you guys can probably hear the TV this whole time. But anyway, let me know what I should do. I don't mind doing 2 vlogs. I don't mind doing a mega vlog, like it's just what you guys would prefer to see. That being said, I probably won't have a regular video out that week because of the fact that I'm not going to have the weekend to film. So tomorrow I'm going to try and do a little bit of filming. I want to do a Halloween video. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day video, but then I realized my video will go up on Valentine's, so maybe I'll do a what I'm wearing on Valentine's get ready with me. But really I just want to use the Shane-XO remix palette because it's really pretty. This vlog has been like 99% me talking and like 0% me showing you guys stuff other than my toes, so you're welcome internet, there's my toes. You guys haven't seen my character in ages, but this is my main. Her name's Siberia. She looks like she's a WWE champion with that belt. So this is dinner tonight. I've just got like a chicken breast with paprika, salt and pepper and garlic powder, sour cream to dip, and some brown rice. Doesn't look that pretty, but I'm sure it'll taste really good. Can't believe that it is already that time again, guys, but it is time for me to end this week's weekly vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I know that this week I didn't do a whole lot of anything in the vlog. I've just, obviously as you guys know, just started back at school, so it's a little bit here, there and everywhere, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. Like I said earlier, please let me know whether you want me to do a extra long vlog that's a day late, or to do 2 smaller vlogs and kind of spread them apart a little bit more. Like you might get 3 videos, not next week but the week after, but just a little bit more spread apart. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video on Wednesday. Bye.